Hey guys, so I just found out that you really like word clouds, and maybe some of you doesn't know how to do it. And I have a very simple and free way of building these word clouds, and I'll use Lee Crawford post on Campbell's group to share with you how I do it. So this is the post. He asked what has been your most valuable lifetime deal purchase to date, and people start like commenting and leaving um, their answers here. And there are lots of names and lifetime deals and explanations and, well, comments as a whole. So, what I'll do, I'll just select all of these comments and then copy them into, in this case, I'll use a Google Sheet, but normally I do use a spreadsheet document on my desktop. So now I'm doing this boring work of copying the whole list of comments, and it's kind of slow. Should be faster, but okay. Spare me a second. And what I'll do next is that I'll throw this on a spreadsheet because it's simpler for me to clean it. And there we go. We got all of them, and I'm copying it, and then I'll use Control Shift V here. Oh, this should work. Oh, it's not working. Let me see if it works here. Oh, yes, it does. So, I'll do something a little different because uh, I don't want to paste everything in a single sheet. What I'm gonna do is I'll just throw this on my uh, text editor and then paste it here. So you see, this will be an easier way for us to clean this mass of lots of words and things that repeats itself coming from Facebook. So the first thing I'll do, I'll just organize or sort this um, in uh, in column. And here you see that there are lots of um, double inputs or variables or strings, which are names. So I'll just put a simple formula here, and if there's a repetition, you'll see that it will say true or false if not. And you understand why I'm doing this right now, because I'll sort it again, and then I'll get um, these which are uh, which are duplicated, and I'll remove the unwanted one. So for example, reply one day, this could all go. So I'm cleaning this from my word cloud. So reply, all these replies and names that are don't have um, lifetime deals here. And so here I have name and name, and I can just remove this. And the false ones, I don't want to like remove because they could be like useful. But for example, in this case, I'm seeing lots of replies. I can remove all of them, and everything that's just too noisy and holds no lifetime deal names, because this is what we are looking for on our list. So here, for example, it's not duplicated, but name. That's me. Uh, so here we can extract and remove, and we can remove this. So this is part of the common cleaning, and you don't have to spend that much of time in like cleaning everything, because you see that what matters will appear on the cloud in a good shape. So I'll jump this whole cleaning process, and you may do it in a better fashion. Or there we go. So this is it. So in the end, the column B is what matters for me. And to build this word cloud, I'm using this jasondavies.com slash word cloud slash, and this is a free word cloud builder. So I'm going to paste that uh, that list here, and then I'll just put 0 and 0. And I used to set this rectangular and then square in, just because I like the way it builds the word cloud. And then I set go, and you see this is it. So we have swipe pages, closures copy, lifetime deal. So this is a word that should not appear here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going back to the list, and then I'll replace LTD for nothing, and then replace all. Okay. So let's see if it's there another thing. So using, for example, should go out. I'm just removing it, and I'll replace everything. And then good, for example, is uh, something useless in this case. So I replace it good for nothing. And well, total, maybe another one. So, and every time that you remove this one word, you increase the weight of other good words that uh, you should highlight. So, for example, if I remove C here, I'm opening space for something to get grow bigger in relevance here. So, for example, get and all these like useless words for the context, you don't really need it. So once it's done, I can just copy the whole list again and then head back to the word cloud generator. Just replace it here and hit go, and you see that now I have a cleaner list. That done. Once you're good to go, you may do what I did. I just grabbed the screenshot of this. You could increase uh, the zoom of the page, or you could either download the SVG, and this would work quite well too, especially if you want like higher resolutions. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed, and well, thank you, Lee, for the list. I really appreciate the outcome of it. Take care, guys. Bye bye.